Today we've got a real treat for you. We're revealing the 9 highest fiber foods to help lower blood sugar levels. These incredible superfoods are not only scrumptious, but they're also packed with nutrients that are perfect for everyone, especially those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Stay tuned, because you won't want to miss our surprising facts about these amazing foods. So let's get started. Number 1. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and peas all belong to the legume family, and they're brimming with fiber and protein. Surprisingly, 1 cup of cooked black beans contains a whopping 15 grams of fiber. This makes them an ideal addition to your meals for blood sugar management. Try adding them to salads, soups, or even as a side dish to keep your blood sugar in check. Number 2. Whole grains. Whole grains such as brown rice, quinoa, barley, and oats are loaded with fiber, which can help slow down sugar absorption. Did you know that quinoa, a pseudo-cereal, is actually a complete protein source, providing all 9 essential amino acids? Swap out refined grains for these healthier options to improve blood sugar control. Number 3. Chia seeds. These tiny seeds are true nutritional powerhouses. They're high in fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Fun fact: chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water, creating a gel-like substance that can help you feel fuller for longer. Add them to your smoothies, yogurt, or even water for a nutritional boost that helps regulate blood sugar levels. Number 4. Berries. Strawberries, blueberries, and raspberries are not only delicious, but also high in fiber. Berries are also packed with antioxidants, which can help reduce inflammation and protect against chronic diseases. Enjoy them as a snack or add them to your breakfast for a blood sugar-friendly treat. Number 5. Avocado. This creamy, delicious fruit is high in heart-healthy fats and fiber. Here's a surprising fact: avocados contain more potassium than bananas. Incorporate this nutrient-dense fruit into your meals to help keep your blood sugar levels stable throughout the day. Number 6. Nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and pistachios are packed with fiber and healthy fats. Not only that, but they also contain essential minerals like magnesium and potassium. Enjoy them as a snack or add them to your meals for a tasty way to manage blood sugar. Number 7. Broccoli. This cruciferous vegetable is low in calories but high in fiber, making it a great choice for blood sugar control. Did you know that broccoli contains a compound called sulforaphane, which has powerful anti-inflammatory and cancer-fighting properties? Steam or roast it for a delicious and nutrient-packed side dish. Number 8. Artichokes. These unique vegetables are a fantastic source of fiber. In fact, 1 medium-sized artichoke contains nearly 7 grams of fiber. They're also rich in prebiotics, which promote a healthy gut microbiome. Enjoy them steamed, grilled, or roasted for a delicious and blood sugar-friendly meal addition. Number 9. Pears. This sweet, juicy fruit is packed with fiber, with most of it found in the skin. Here's an interesting fact: pears contain a flavonoid called quercetin, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Remember to keep the skin on for maximum fiber benefits, and enjoy them as a snack or dessert. And there you have it: the 9 highest fiber foods to lower blood sugar, complete with fascinating facts about each one. By incorporating these fiber-rich foods into your diet, you'll not only enjoy a variety of delicious meals and snacks, but also improve your blood sugar control. Remember, moderation and balance are key to a healthy lifestyle. If you found this video helpful and intriguing, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Health Fit Hub for more health tips, health news, and nutrition advice. Also, hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. Do you have any favorite high-fiber recipes or interesting facts about these foods? Share them with us in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching Health Fit Hub, where we're dedicated to helping you live a healthier, happier life. Stay tuned for more exciting and informative videos. See you in the next video.